Okay, over at the bus. It hasn't been started in a month. Haven't did anything. This is gonna be just a quick video of me. I'm gonna see if it's gonna fire up. I'm gonna check it and make sure everything that's supposed to be in here is in here. I think I got a key on my key. I don't know. The batteries might need charging because you can see they had 8 to 11 inches over here. It's starting to melt. We had 6 to 8 where we were. Let's see if it. Check battery lights on. But that might go off. Gotta wait for this to heat up. Then we're gonna see if it'll start. But the battery, that's what I said. It's been so cold. I don't even know if the glow plugs are gonna heat up. We're gonna find out. Glow plugs heat up. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. Wait till glow plug heat up again. I'm gonna try to let it run for a couple minutes. Charge the batteries. They turned over. Try it again. I know the light ain't off, but I'm gonna try it again. I don't know if it's supposed to pump with diesel, but that's the way I got it started before. She's trying, guys. It's it. There ain't no block heater or nothing on this thing. It's it. I think I got it. Okay, I'm pumping it. I don't want to pump it too much. I don't want to get the RPMs up real high. I just wanted it above auto a little bit. Right there. We're gonna let it run for a couple minutes. She started up, guys. Gotta get over here soon. Saving this hose. I'm gonna save this heater too, maybe. Could put I was saying about maybe putting that heater up there. Hooking them hoses back up. And cause I'm probably all gonna keep all this. I don't know. But anyway, I could use that heater up here. Cause the hose is still good. I got rid of the hoses up there, but I got plenty here. Before I could buy new. But the old bus fired up, guys. I'll go pop the hood and make sure there ain't no leaks. Not seeing anything, because when it gets cold, stuff can break and crack. Looks like it's a small leak right there underneath. Not clear what that is, but nothing major. Alright, we'll set the hood back down. Looks all good. You want to make sure when you do that, you want to set it down easy, because that's only fiberglass on this one. You'll break that in a heartbeat in the winter. You can see how cold it is. Try and show you. Well, you somewhat. See, it's saying glow plugs are even still cold. Let's see if it'll auto now. Yep, it's autoing. So that's why I said, just a quick video. Just noticed something. There's a clip up here. I guess you put something, I don't know. Just a quick video of the bus. It's been a month. That's what I said. I had to come over and let it run some. Make sure the batteries are charged. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. At least you watch one. Please come along for the ride, and bye till later.